What's up everybody, Gold Hunter here with another tutorial video. Does your washing machine go out of balance and make a banging sound? Does it do that regardless of the size of load you have inside? More than likely you've got bad suspension. One way you check is you push down on the tub. It shouldn't be very bouncy like it is. So in this video we're going to show you how to replace the suspension. This is the part number. Sorry, crappy cameraman here today. These are what they look like. I will show you how to do one at least. There are 4 of them. It's kind of in depth and a little time consuming. You don't need to turn the power off, but if you feel comfortable, by all means turn the power off. I've done this so many times. I'm not going to turn the power off. Pull the machine forward just a little bit. There's a 1/4 inch screw right here. Undo that. There's 2 of them, 1 on each side. I don't know if anybody can see that little groove right above the screw. The whole unit will tilt up and backwards, giving you access. So grab the front lid here, and then it kind of tilts up. Make sure you have something to catch the lid, because otherwise it will fall. I don't have the unit far enough. There we go. Okay, because you kind of get it to where, you know, that doesn't want to fall back on you and take you out, because it's definitely going to. Okay, so now you've got access to the inner workings of the suspension. So these 4 rods keep the tub centered. When they get weak and or get stressed, this goes out of balance and bangs, and you're like, oh my gosh, my machine is getting destroyed. So what you're going to want to do is, I usually grab some gloves. Gives me a little bit of extra grippy. Put some gloves on. Sorry, this is all one-handed here. I'm trying to think of how I can prop this up so you all can see what I'm about to do. So, what you do is you literally just get in there, you lift up, and then you have to twist off that little connection there. It's kind of hard for me to do one-handed, so let me shove you in this little box and see if we can't show you all here real quick. So, hence why I have gloves, because it gives you a little more grip. Some of these have got oil all over them, so simple lift up. This piece comes down, giving you access for the whole piece to come off. I usually do the back. Well, I do the front first, but I did the back because it's easier for us to see. Some tubs have got a little cutout on the side, so the only way, so that suspension is off. Usually you do both of them, and then the tub leans back, and then it's kind of a time-consuming process, because then you have to then put the lid back on, not the whole way, but enough to where you can actually tilt back the unit. So you tilt it back, you get underneath, and you find the old suspension, which is over here. Sometimes it gets caught, but it should just come right on out. Right? So there's the old one, and then you just reverse process, shove the new one up on in there. Sometimes you got to use your hand, find the little hole that it goes in. But yeah, you would put the new one in, and then you would reverse process, take the top back off again, lean it all up, and then you would reverse process and rehook it up. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but that's the process of doing it. And then you put everything back together and you're home free. So hopefully this was helpful. Sorry for the one-handed crappy video. I'm trying to get a better setup so I can record the whole thing by myself. Bear with me. If this was helpful, hit that thumbs up button, become a subscriber. Let me know that you're there. Till next time, take care. Oh no!